Imagine if the key to fighting Alzheimer's was already inside your brain, just waiting to be unlocked. A team of scientists may have just found that key, and it's not a new drug. It's a tiny receptor you've never heard of until now. At UC San Francisco, researchers have discovered a hidden switch in the brain's defense system. It's called ADGRG1, and it might just be the brain's secret weapon against memory loss. This microscopic receptor could change how we prevent and even reverse Alzheimer's. Let's break it down. Your brain has immune cells called microglia. Think of them as the janitors of your brain. Their job is to clean out harmful waste, including amyloid beta plaques, which is the sticky stuff that builds up in Alzheimer's. That is not all. Without ADGRG1, microglia don't work properly. They stop cleaning, and when that happens, plaques pile up, memory fades, and cognitive decline accelerates. In lab tests on mice, the absence of ADGRG1 caused rapid plaque buildup and memory issues. But when the receptor was active, the brain stayed cleaner longer. What is more fascinating is when researchers looked at human brains after death, they found something shocking. People with high levels of ADGRG1 had less plaque and less damage even if they had Alzheimer's. So, what does that mean for us? It means some people's brains are naturally better at self-cleaning, but for everyone else, this could change the game for them. ADGRG1 belongs to a family of receptors that scientists already know how to target with medication. That opens a huge door. If we can develop a drug that boosts this receptor, we could help the brain clean itself more efficiently before memory loss begins. Lead researcher Dr. Xianhua Piao put it simply, some people are lucky to have responsible microglia, but now we may be able to give everyone that luck. This isn't just about a cure, it's about prevention, protection, and possibility. Imagine a future where Alzheimer's can be slowed or even stopped by helping your brain do what it's already designed to do. And now, thanks to this breakthrough, that future may be closer than we ever imagined. The science of tomorrow is already happening today. So to stay updated on this groundbreaking researches like this, please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.